Conway. We are a family-owned and managed independent chain of opticians in Norfolk. I'm the fourth generation to join the business. We've been going since 1916, and we provide eye care services to the people of Norfolk, and supply a range of high-end designer frames and lenses as well. So we chose Cooltech because Colin is actually a customer of Dipple Conway. He has some very nice glasses from us, and we were looking to revamp the store that we're currently in, and we needed some brand new aircon units. So we contacted Colin, and he came and had a look round, gave us a quote. He was very knowledgeable. I was very impressed with how much he knew about aircon systems. So we decided to go with him, and we also are very passionate about supporting local businesses and the local economy, and Colin and Cooltech are a local business. The aircon, heating, ventilation that Cooltech have provided has benefited us hugely. We've got three smallish testing rooms that are sealed in, basically, so the ventilation is incredibly important, otherwise they become very stuffy. So and Colin's system has made it that there's constant supply of fresh air coming into the rooms, which is very important for hygiene purposes as well as just general air freshness. Obviously in the summer we need air conditioning because it gets very hot, and in the winter we need the heating because it's cold. So and Cooltech systems fulfill all of those criteria to a very high spec, so we're very pleased. The service that we receive from Cooltech has been excellent throughout. Colin gave us a very prompt and comprehensive quotation initially. The installation was great. All the way along we've been liaising with Cooltech, and we've had to make tweaks along the way, and Cooltech have been very forthcoming with accommodating those tweaks. And still aftercare service, if there's any problems, we can ring them up, and we know we're going to get to speak to someone on the phone and get an answer. So yeah, we've been very impressed with the service. We've been particularly impressed. Colin introduced us to the idea of radiant heating. We've got a radiant mirror from Cooltech, which we hadn't heard of before, but it's really, it's fantastic. So yeah, definitely would recommend Cooltech to friends and family.
Cool technology. The coolest environmental technologies with tomorrow's solutions today.